Zuri. It's a beautiful day. Clean teeth make happy smiles.
Wonderful question, Zuri.
Okay, so in today's tutorials, I will show you how to
Zuri.
create videos using Google Power for
Zuri.
AI video
You made
tool
smart
called
choices
Flow.
today.
Whether you want to
A
create
tidy room helps
cinematic
us start
videos,
strong.
animated stories, marketing content, or social media videos, Flow makes the process incredibly simple. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do, you're gonna come here to the search bar and then you search for Google Labs Flow. Okay, so the first one that appear on your screen, that's the right one. Just click right on top of it. This is actually the box that we are going to work on it. And then we're gonna click right here where it says Nano Banana Pro. And then this is what you're gonna get. It says image and video. So we're gonna start with the image, and then we can just come here for the settings, and then we can just select 16 by 9, and then how many images do you want? We're gonna go with 1 times, and then which model are you using? We're gonna use Nano Banana Pro. All right, so we're gonna come here to the box, and then we're gonna click on this and paste the prompt that we have, and then we're gonna start generating it. So here is the trick for you to get the exact same consistency on your next image. So I'm gonna click right on top of the image, and then I'm gonna drag the image into the box, and then click on generate. Okay, so here is the next image. You can see the consistency is exactly the same, exactly the same thing. So this is what we are actually looking for. And then I'm gonna just bring the image again here. So when you are done with creating your image, you can come back here to Nano Banana and turn the mode into the video. Okay, so you're gonna come here to the size, and then you're gonna need to select between the two. You're gonna go with 16 by 9, and then we only want one image, and then we're gonna go with Omni Flash. Okay, as there are a lot of them here, but we are looking for this one since it's the one that will allow us to create the video up to 10 seconds. So we're gonna go with the 10 seconds one, and then it's gonna take like 15 credit. If you want less than that, it can take 12 credit. So we're gonna go with this one for 10 seconds. Okay, so then when you're done, you can come here to the box, and then you paste the prompt or your video prompt. As you can see, my video prompt has everything that I actually want. There's an action. It says Zuri is sleeping peacefully in bed. That's the first image right there. And then there is a camera angle, wide shot of the bedroom, camera movement, slow pushing towards Zuri as she wakes up, a dialogue, a Momo. Need to do now, I'm gonna just bring the first image here into the box, and then I'm gonna bring the second image because I want these two scenes together. So these are some of the videos that I generated using the Google Flow Labs. So let me just show you. Since I don't have enough credit, then I will just show you this one. Okay. So this is the first one. This is the one. Let's just watch it.
Wonderful question, Zuri. Thank you.
Great job, Zuri.
Great job, Zuri. You made smart choices today.
Okay, that's so great, man. Let's just watch the second one. Look how cute she is in a dungaree. And let's just put it into big screen. All right, so this is how easy it is to create videos using the Google Flow. It's for free, but you have a limitation. But if you want to create more videos, remember you're gonna get 50 credit. And then, so if you want to create more videos, then you need to wait for tomorrow for you to get more credit, or else you use the different email address in order for you to get more credit. Okay. So I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorial for today, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.